one of those parts from the brakes on the Demio is one of, or two sets of metallic rods that just goes straight through the brake in these small holes here, over there, which holds the brake pads together. And it needs to be better than this, because as you can see there's a lot of corrosion with rust, and it's almost warping as well, and they need to be able to stretch back and forth and slide. So we have to do something with some sandpaper. So sand these down as much as possible to get all that rust off.